kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on the smart robot I want. I want a smart robot that can help me every day. My robot will be friendly, cute, and always smiling. It can talk to me and answer my questions. The robot will help me with my homework. It can clean my room and keep everything neat. My robot can play music and dance with me. It will remind me to drink water and study on time. The robot can paint, draw, and do fun activities with me. It will protect me and keep me safe. The smart robot I want will be my best little helper. Thank you for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.